Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can manage a screen mirror effect of your front camera in the Nokia T21 tablet. So at the first open the camera app, remember to switch the camera to the front one, like here, and just go to the settings by this little 3-line button. Sorry, I have to flip the screen. And now look for the mirror photos for the front camera. If you keep this feature enabled, and you will take a photo. How you can see, photo is normal, it is not flipped. But if you now just turn it off and go back, the photo is flipped. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.